This is a tutorial video for the Cam Royal. Let's start with the unfolding. First, unfold the pedals. Then, adjust the height of the seat to your desired height. Next, bring the handlebar post up. Spin the clamp until it's locked. To unfold the frame, unravel the wheel catch from the frame by lifting the frame up and swing forward. Remember that the front wheel will always point forward. Finally, simply hold on to the saddle and lift it up for the back wheel to curl out. Next, folding. Firstly, press onto the latch and lift the bike up by holding onto the frame. This allows the wheel to curl in. Next, fold the pedals by pushing downward. After that, undo the hinge clamp and lift the bike up by holding onto the handlebar post to fold the frame. Make sure the hook is attached onto the frame. Next, undo the clamp and bring down the handlebar post. Finally, lower down the seat post. Now let me show you how you can transport the bike. When it's fully folded, it can already be moved easily. However, you can raise the seat post so that you don't have to strain your back. Another way to push it is when it's half folded. This is how to do it. From the unfolded position, press onto the latch and lift the bike up. This allows the wheel to curl in.